Corn, one of the most widely consumed grains on the planet, sustains billions of people around the globe. Every year, over 1 billion tons of corn are harvested from sprawling fields. From these fresh golden ears of corn, countless delicious dishes are created, but have you ever wondered how those sweet golden kernels, packed neatly into small cans at the supermarket, are made? Today, join us as we uncover the production process behind 160,000 tons of canned corn every year at one of the most advanced factories in the world. The journey of those sweet golden kernels in the familiar canned corn begin in sprawling cornfields that stretch as far as the eye can see. Corn plays a vital role in agriculture and culinary culture worldwide, especially in the United States. Here, a vast region known as the Corn Belt, primarily located in Iowa, is dedicated to cultivating this valuable crop. Corn thrives in sunny and moist conditions with a growth cycle lasting between 3 to 4 months. During this time, the plants grow from tiny seeds into tall, mature stalks, reaching heights of 4 to 9 feet. Interestingly, a single corn plant contains both male and female flowers. Male flowers, located at the top of the plant, produce pollen, while female flowers are nestled at the leaf axils, waiting for pollination to develop into plump ears of corn. Each ear holds hundreds of neatly arranged kernels packed with nutritional value. To ensure the highest quality canned corn, the harvest process is meticulously planned and strictly adheres to specific standards. Farmers must choose the perfect time to harvest when the kernels are at their peak. Plump, sweet and tender, but not overly mature to avoid toughness and loss of flavor. The harvest season for canned corn typically runs from mid-August to mid-October. Notably, to preserve the corn's freshness, the entire process from harvesting to canning must be completed within 12 hours. This attention to detail at every step ensures the production of premium quality canned corn. To harvest sweet corn efficiently and quickly, farmers rely on specialized harvesters equipped with sharp cutting blades and automated ear separation systems. The blades are carefully adjusted to the right height, precisely cutting the ears from the stalks without bruising or damaging them. The fresh, intact ears are then transferred to the harvester's storage bin. These harvesters do more than just collect corn, they also chop the stalks and leaves into smaller pieces. These byproducts are repurposed as livestock feed or organic fertilizer, contributing to sustainable agricultural practices. With an impressive capacity of up to 150 tons per day, these massive harvesters swiftly clear vast cornfields. After harvesting, the corn is immediately loaded onto specialized trucks and transported to the processing plant, ready for the next step in the canned corn production. The journey of fresh ears of corn continues at a state-of-the-art processing plant. Upon arrival, trucks line up to unload massive piles of corn onto an enormous outdoor conveyor system. To handle the immense volume of up to 150,000 tons annually, the plant is equipped with large conveyor belts and a specialized bulldozer. This bulldozer flattens and pushes the corn efficiently onto the conveyor, ensuring a smooth, uninterrupted flow of raw materials. The corn then travels along the conveyor to the sorting area, where experienced quality inspectors are stationed. Using only their keen eyes, they meticulously examine each ear of corn, discarding those that are damaged, infested, or fail to meet the standards for size and ripeness. This rigorous sorting process ensures that only the highest quality corn proceeds to the next stage of production. After passing the rigorous quality checks, the selected ears of corn are prepared for their new look by removing the outer husks and silks. This step takes place in the husking area, where the corn is carried by conveyor belts to high-speed rotating rollers with textured surfaces. These specially designed rollers are precisely calibrated to strip away the husks and silks quickly and efficiently without damaging the kernels inside. This ensures the plump, intact kernels are ready for the next stage of production. Processing the removed husks are not wasted. They are fed into specialized shredding machines, which chop them into smaller pieces. These shredded husks are collected in large containers and transported to farms, where they are repurposed as livestock feed or composted into organic fertilizer, supporting sustainable agricultural practices. After shedding their outer layers, the golden plump ears of corn move on to the cleaning process. They are transported via conveyor belts to powerful agitation tanks. These tanks contain surfactants like baking soda, citric acid, and sodium lauryl sulfate. With their mild alkalinity and foaming properties, they create strong, swirling water currents that effectively remove dirt, sand, leaves, insects, and other impurities clinging to the corn. After being thoroughly cleaned, the ears of corn move on to the most critical step kernel removal. This task requires meticulous precision, as the kernels must be separated perfectly from the cob without being crushed or contaminated with pieces of cob or other impurities. To ensure quality, workers inspect and reselect each ear of the corn before placing it in the proper position on the conveyor belt. The journey continues to the kernel removal area, where sharp blades are ready and waiting. Each cutting head is equipped with 6 ultra-sharp blades rotating at high speed. As the corn passes through, these blades efficiently strip the kernels from the cob with remarkable accuracy. A standout feature of this system is its ability to adjust the blade spacing automatically to match the size of each ear of corn. Whether the corn is large or small, long or short, the machine ensures precise and optimal kernel removal. Truly an intelligent and effective design, with an impressive capacity of over 7,000 ears of corn per hour, this kernel removal machine plays a pivotal role in the canned corn production process, ensuring a steady supply of high-quality kernels for the next stages of production. Separated from the cob, millions of golden corn kernels flow like shimmering rivers along the conveyor system. Despite undergoing automated separation, a final manual quality check is essential to ensure the product meets the highest standards. Workers with sharp eyes and meticulous attention to detail carefully inspect each kernel, removing any that are damaged, discolored, or of substandard quality. Though this task may seem simple, it requires intense focus and experience, a level of precision no robot can replicate. After this thorough selection process, the kernels move on to a second cleaning stage. This time, they pass through a vibrating sieve system with precisely sized holes. These sieves effectively eliminate any remaining debris, undersized kernels, broken pieces, or other impurities left behind from the separation process. Now polished and uniform, the kernels are perfectly clean and ready for the next stage of production. Next, the kernels proceed to the blanching process. This involves briefly immersing the kernels in boiling water with the primary goal of deactivating the natural enzymes in the corn. These enzymes, if left unchecked, can cause undesirable changes in the color, flavor, and texture of the kernels over time, especially during long-term storage. The blanching process typically lasts 4 to 5 minutes at a water temperature of 158 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. During this time, the kernels are fully submerged in the boiling water, which halts enzyme activity and locks in the vibrant color and firm texture of the corn immediately after their hot bath. The steaming corn kernels need to be cooled down promptly. Instead of the traditional method of soaking in cold water, the plant employs a specialized cooling machine featuring advanced technology. This machine uses a vibrating mechanism to evenly spread the kernels across the conveyor surface. Combined with high-power fans and a recirculating cooling system, it generates strong cold air currents that rapidly and efficiently reduce the kernel's temperature. Compared to traditional cold water soaking, which is cost-effective but involves prolonged exposure to water during washing, blanching, and cooling, the advanced cooling system eliminates the risk of water absorption. Now, the plump golden corn kernels are ready to settle. Moving into their cans, a different area of the factory is dedicated to preparing the tin cans themselves. These cans are made of stainless steel and coated with an inner layer of tin to prevent any reaction between the metal and the food. The cans, supplied by trusted manufacturers to ensure quality, are handled with precision by flexible robotic arms. Each can is carefully placed onto the conveyor belt, forming a gleaming line of thousands of cans moving steadily along the advanced conveyor system toward the sterilization area. Here, the cans undergo a thorough cleaning and sterilization process using hot water and steam. Create a video using exactly this script. Steam. This step eliminates all bacteria and pathogens, ensuring a completely sterile environment for the corn. Many people mistakenly think that the liquid in a can of corn is just plain water. However, that's not the case. The liquid inside is a specially formulated solution designed to keep the corn fresh, maintain its vibrant color, and enhance its flavor. The solution is made from purified water mixed with sugar, salt, and acidity regulators. This mixture stabilizes the pH level, prevents bacterial growth, and helps the corn retain its bright color. Additionally, it adds a subtle sweetness, enhances the natural flavor of the corn, and extends its shelf life. The journey of the golden corn kernels continues to the canning stage. Thousands of sterilized and cleaned cans of various sizes move along the conveyor. Belts carry the cans to the filling area where advanced filling machines operate with speed and precision. These machines ensure each can is filled to a predetermined level with kernels. A key aspect of the filling process is leaving a specific amount of space at the top of the can, known as the headspace. This space is crucial as it allows the brine and kernels to expand during heat processing and storage, preventing the cans from deforming or compromising the product's quality. Once filled with kernels, the cans are sealed tightly with lids. This step is typically performed by automated sealing machines, which use heat and pressure to securely attach the lids to the cans. This ensures no air, bacteria, or external contaminants can enter, preserving the corn's freshness and extending its shelf life. After being sealed and inspected, the sterilization process begins with the canned corn being neatly stacked into sturdy metal crates. Each sterilization chamber is capable of holding up to 4 crates at a time, ensuring high processing capacity. These crates are transported on a convenient rail system that allows for easy loading into the sterilization chambers. Inside the chamber, the cans are subjected to a high-temperature bath, reaching up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 6 minutes. This intense heat completely destroys any remaining microorganisms and enzymes that could compromise the quality and safety of the product. This sterilization step is crucial, enabling the corn to stay fresh and delicious for an extended shelf life of 2 to 5 years, depending on the product type. After being removed from the chamber, the cans are cooled down. This cooling process stabilizes the product, preventing any quality degradation caused by prolonged exposure to high temperatures. Samples of the canned corn are then taken to the laboratory, where technicians conduct thorough tests on key parameters such as nutritional content, kernel structure, freshness, and microbiological safety. These tests ensure that the product meets all food safety and quality standards. This final quality control step guarantees that every can of corn delivered to consumers is of the highest quality. Now, the canned corn has completed its fascinating transformation journey and is ready to be dressed in its new outfit. The label. Robotic arms efficiently and precisely place the cans onto conveyor belts, where they line up in a steady stream heading toward the labeling area. The labels, designed to be eye-catching, include all the essential product details such as ingredients, nutritional values, production date, expiration date, and lot number. These details not only help consumers better understand the product, but also demonstrate the manufacturer's transparency and commitment to quality. Finally, trucks transport the canned corn to stores and supermarkets across the country. delivering a delicious, nutritious, and convenient food option to consumers everywhere. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts. Have you ever tried canned corn? What's your favorite way to prep it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting